Welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to learn about the preparation of haloalkanes. Okay. And in the preparation of haloalkanes, we have to first understand what are the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. Fine. So first start with the preparation of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes can be prepared by these four methods. First is from the alcohols, second from the hydrocarbons, third is from the halogen exchange, fourth is by the action of the silver salt of acids. Now alcohols are the organic compounds that have the functional group OH. Okay, so if you have the alkyl group present with the OH, you have this ROH. If you have the aromatic alcohol, that means if it is like AROH, this means this is phenol. This is for the preparation of the aromatic, you can say the haloarenes. Now alcohols are the widely used compounds for the preparation of haloalkanes in the laboratory. The hydroxy group, this group is replaced by the halogen. So how do you do that? For that we react the alcohol with the mineral acid and we get haloalkane. Okay. So what happens here? Water molecule is generated. You can see here H and this OH, they combine and form the water molecule, and R and X, they combine and form the haloalkene. So in the method for the preparation of haloalkanes by the alcohols, we prepare chloroalkanes, okay, bromoalkanes and iodoalkanes. Okay. So in the alcohols, you have to take an example. For example, if I take ethanol, and react with hydrogen chloride mineral acid in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, what are you going to get? This OH and H is going to combine and you are going to get CH3 CH2 Cl plus the water molecule. Fine. So you have prepared here chloroethane. What is this molecule? Chloroethane. Okay. So this we have prepared from the alcohol by the action of the halogen acids. We can prepare chloroalkanes, bromoalkanes and iodoalkanes. This which we had just prepared was a chloroalkane because of the presence of this chlorine. Now you can prepare bromoalkane. How? You just take the ethanol, react with hydrogen bromide in the presence of any anhydrous compound like concentrated H2SO4, okay, and you will get your bromoalkane. Okay. Likewise, if you take the alcohol and react with hydrogen iodide, you are going to get iodoalkane. So you can note here that alkyl halides, in the alkyl halides, secondary and tertiary bromides and iodide. Okay, secondary and tertiary bromides and iodides. Okay, they cannot be prepared from the respective alcohols. You know why? Because the secondary and tertiary alcohols on heating with this concentrated H2SO4, they undergo dehydration to form alkenes. Fine. So when they undergo dehydration to form alkenes, you cannot use it for making the haloalkanes. For preparing the primary haloalkane, you can use this anhydrous zinc chloride or zinc bromide, zinc iodide, like that. So today we have learned about the preparation of haloalkanes by action of halogen acids and the alcohols. To understand more about the methods of preparation for the haloalkanes and more chemistry topics, just visit, like, share and subscribe chemistry class. Thank you.